Hi guys, I'm back again here with a quick video. Okay, guys, I know sometimes when you do your analysis, you wonder like which order block should you rely on. Okay, and all I can say to that is this. Okay, the order block you need to rely on is the order block that gives you confirmation to trade. That's all you really need. That's the only rule that you need, honestly. Okay, so I'm actually going to show you an example of what happened this week. By the way, this week was not really great for me. Like, it was really slow. I couldn't really see good opportunities in the market, so I traded only like once this week. But I hope you guys had a profitable week. And yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so I've noticed a few things this week actually on the charts of VIX 25 1S and VIX 50. Okay, so as we can see here that we are in an overall seller's market. Okay, initially I had this order block and I was actually waiting for price to get here in order for me to sell. Okay, in order for me to sell, but that did not happen. Sorry, that did not happen. Okay, look at what the market did. Market actually stopped at this order block right here. Okay, and then it made a U-turn. Okay, so I'm thinking target for this trade could be here, or we can also go for like a 161.8. Like, I strongly believe that this market is going to go to the 161.8. Reason being is that look at how aggressive this candle is. See, so chances are market may just like go up just a little like this and then fall all the way down here. Okay, so now if you were like me, you were waiting for this order block and then you saw this, you got frustrated. You're like, oh damn, I really thought the market was gonna get here before selling. I didn't expect this to happen. Listen, man, this is a game of probability. Like, you need to be proactive at the same time. Okay, so if the market doesn't get back here and you see like there's some form of action happening here, you actually need to mark this order block right here and tell yourself that, I know that it will be great for the market to actually get back to this level before the drop, but I'm also seeing this. Okay, if I get confirmation here, then I'm gonna sell. Okay, so let me show you why this I would have traded this. I would have sold this market if had I been on the charts. Okay, so we're on H4. I usually go two time frames below, which is the M30. Okay, and on the M30, look at what we have. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Okay, you could have traded the trend line break on here. Okay, all right, and you told yourself that the first candle that closes below is your entry. But remember, when you trade the trend line break, you are susceptible to seeing a little bit of drawdown before the market drops. Okay, so in this case, you would have traded this like this. Okay, and then stop loss above here. Target number one could have been here, or the 161.8. Okay, or you could have traded it like this. Okay, you can see that this is also like a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, you could have just marked this level right here and you told yourself that the first candle that closes below this zone is your sell. You would have gotten your entry here, which is not really great. Like, it's not a great entry, but it's an entry regardless, you know. And then you could have targeted that, and then your stop loss for this maybe could have been up here. Okay, and this market, like this trade would have been active. Okay, so just waiting for profit to get hit. I mean, look at this market like 2 or 3 hours after this video and you will see that the target was hit. Okay, example number 2 is VIX 50. Okay, I saw a similarity in setups with the VIX 50 on this as well. All right, so let me delete everything, remove all drawings. Okay, see, like, it's pretty similar. Okay, so in this case we on H4 time frame. Okay, we had this order block right here. Okay, we had another one right here, and then we had this run right here. Okay, I was actually expecting price to get to this order block at least before the drop, but it dropped at this one. Okay, so like, you would have been waiting like, oh man, I don't want to sell at this order block, maybe it's too risky. Then you wait for it to get here and it never gets there. It never gets there. It stops here and it drops. And this was like a 161.8 type of trade. Okay, so you got your order block. There's your impulse move, mitigation back to the zone, three time frames below. Okay, What's going on? Yeah. This would have been a really nice one. No drawdown. Okay. No zero drawdown. Okay. Put your trend line. First candle that breaks below is your entry. And bam. Stop loss for this would have been here. 161.8. Okay. 161.8. Beautiful. Price actually hit the 161.8 on this. Okay. If you didn't enter like that, you could have entered at a breaker structure. You see this M formation here. Okay. Tell yourself that the first candle that breaks below it is an entry. And here we go. Okay. 161.8. Okay. So you would have had like 2 entries on this. Okay. 1, 2. 161.8 hit greatly. Okay. And then this is a potential, like, this could be a potential scale in. I'm actually going to mark this. Actually going to mark this order block. This could be a potential scale in. Market can get, I mean, I think it already happened, but if there's like a second leg, I'm actually going to jump on that. Okay. So, well, I just wanted to make this quick video, guys, to show you that you don't always need to wait for like the extreme order block to get hit before you can find your entry. Like sometimes just, I mean, mark your order block, whichever one really, and just wait for price to get to your order block. And if you see entry confirmation in any one of these order blocks, then you enter. Like, don't always tell yourself that, oh no, I'm just gonna wait for them to come back here because I think here this is a bit too low. They will. No, they won't, bro. Sometimes they won't, you know. And then you see a move like this, you get frustrated. Just be proactive. I mean, just be proactive and react to, I mean, take what the market gives you, really. Okay. So I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The free Discord is still available, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.